7 Easy Steps to Earn Money from YouTube in 2020. The money will not happen on the first day of starting your YouTube channel. I will guide you through the process of starting a YouTube channel, what resources are required and how to promote. 1. Create YouTube channel. You can start your YouTube channel just by logging through your Gmail account, but that solely will not give you any money. 2. Find a niche for YouTube. Selecting your YouTube channel niche for earning money is much related with your hobby or passion for a work. When I am saying that you can earn money on YouTube by anything that you love to do, I am serious. Your interest plus your knowledge plus audience availability plus scope of scalability. If your niche fits into this equation, start a YouTube channel now. 3. Develop content strategy for YouTube videos. If a video goes viral, it is awesome. This is the simplest ever definition one can suggest in this era of virality, but if you have a plan to earn through YouTube, learn this definition by heart. Once you have created a video keeping these points in mind, you have made a high-value video. 4. Link your YouTube channel with Adsense. Until this point, I have given you all bows and arrows to conquer the YouTube virality. I have also covered the methods through which YouTubers earn money. For approval waiting time and AdSense linking to the YouTube account, we have many options, and Google is not strictly stuck to any one single procedure. Still, they have a procedure which is improving continuously. Click the links in the description below or visit laptoplifepro.com for the best courses on affiliate marketing. 5. Use best tools for videos. Mobile is indeed the best option during your initial days when you are not earning money and all you have is your savings. There is no doubt that you can record a good video from your mobile phone, but if you want to record a good quality video, you must buy a webcam. 6. Promote. Promotion of a video starts with your content idea itself. People have a tendency to share their innovation with their loved ones and the loved ones to their loved ones. Saying that when you start making a video, people around you become curious about the completion of your project. 7. Monetizing YouTube videos. The famous way to make money from YouTube is through advertising. Advertising has been present since YouTube was born and is still playing a major role for YouTubers to make money. But earning from YouTube is not limited to CPM, cost per thousand impression. You can make money on YouTube by many more methods. Click the links in the description below or visit laptoplifepro.com for the best courses on affiliate marketing. Please like and share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Good luck!